write the first step to match the two corner pieces on the same face and the white center pieces on the front side. For example, this cube, it was mixed up. So now let's find out one piece of the white corners. For example, this one, okay? We can rotate it up, okay, up, facing up, okay? And another one here, okay, rotate it up again. So two pieces of corners on the same face. Raise the white centerpiece here, not here. Oh, here, okay. Now, to make it facing to us, okay. But sometimes the white centerpiece is not on the sides, it's on the bottom. So we just need to rotate it up, okay, to keep it on the side and facing to us, okay. The second step is to follow the algorithm up, down, down, up to solve the white face. There are two situations. One situation like this. This long center with this white center looks like one less than symbol, right? And this one, the long one and the correct centerpiece look like one greater than symbol, right? So carefully, if you need, you can stop the video or have a review. The first situation, a less than symbol. Start with the right hand up and left hand down, and right hand down, left hand up again. Okay, now start the white face, right? Then another situation looks like one greater than symbol, right? This time, start with the left hand up and right hand down, left hand down, and right hand up again. Solve it. After we solve the white face, let's solve the opposite side. The opposite side is the zero side, right? So first, turn down this cube and keep this white facing to the table. Then figure out the zero corners like so to match the zero corners on the same face and the zero centers like this. Okay. One here, right? And one here, right? Okay. Rotate up. Okay. And rotate up. So now two zero corners match, right? Next. And let's find out the zero centers here. So keep it facing to us. Then follow the algorithm, remember? Up, down, down, up, right? So now solve this zero face. Okay, good job. We already solved the white face and this zero face. Now let's keep the zero color facing to right hand and find out if this centerpiece on the front can be up. It's long, right? Green cannot be here. So let's turn the whole cube and make the white color facing to the right hand and check if this one can be up. Yeah, now the orange can be up, right? So let's follow the algorithm. Okay, remember now it's a less than symbol. Let's start with the right hand up, left down, right down, left up. Yeah, very easy. Congratulations to you, right? Okay, the next situation. Yeah, none of them solve around this. Okay. Also, we find out which one can be up. Now, the red can be up, right? So let's follow the algorithm to check. Down, up. Okay. Yes. Now solve this right. Yeah. Now solve this red color, right? So let's keep it down and find out which centerpiece should be up, right? No, this one long. Okay, let's turn the cube. Okay, this side. Orange to be up, right? So follow it. Now this time is the less than symbol. Up, down, down, up. Got it? Yeah, solve it. Okay, congratulations to you. Yes, if still feel confused, please contact with me. I will explain more to you, okay?